Assalamu alaikum. This is your computer science teacher, Sir Fawad Akhtar Ansari. In today's class, we will study while loop. If you observe this program, that it will remind you that we have already done this program. We have already solved this problem with for loop. But in today's class, we will solve this problem using while loop. So the problem was we have to input the temperature and our system will decide that the temperature is above 20 or the temperature is below 20. So let's begin. I use the temperature variable as the integer. I use temperature above as integer. I use temperature below as integer and days count as integer. Now in the previous program I used the for loop to do the iteration, but in this program I use while loop. So the syntax is I type while, then I use my variable days underscore count, which must be less than 5. The original problem was to record the temperature for 100 days, but for the testing purpose I use to record the temperature for 5 days. Now next is we take user input. Whatever we input the temperature, our console application will read that line and store in the temperature variable. Now I use the if statement. If temperature is greater than 20, then temperature underscore above equals to temperature underscore above plus 1. It means that if a temperature, whatever we input, is above 20, then the variable of temperature underscore above will be incremented. Why? Because we have to record the temperature which is above 20 and which is below 20. Now what if this condition becomes false? We use else statement. Temperature underscore below equals to temperature underscore below plus 1. It means what if the temperature is not greater than 20, then our system will record that temperature which is below 20, so plus 1 will be incremented. Now I used to close the condition statement and if. Now this is important part, how to make sure that loop will execute 5 times. So we have to place this statement that days underscore count equals to days underscore count plus 1. It means it will make sure to execute the loop 5 times. And then I close the loop using the and while. And now next is console.writeLine. It means we have to give the output which is which is above the 20 temperature and which is below the 20 temperature. Now it's time to test an application. Let's suppose I input 34, 45, 19, 16 and 37. So above 20 temperature is 3, means 34, 45 and 37, and 2 are below 20, 19 and 16. Our first test is successful. Now it's time to do the next test. Now I input temperature 16, I input temperature 34, I input temperature 29, I input temperature 19, I input temperature 33. Now the temperature which is above 20 is 3. 34, 29 and 33 is above 20, 16 and 19 is below 20. Test 2 is successful. It means our application is working perfectly. Now it's time to wind up today's class. I hope you understood the point. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.